Hi friends, thanks so much for being here. Today I'm sharing a spring decorate and clean with me. I will focus on two spaces today, my front porch and also my dining room. So if you're in need of a few cleaning tips and also some spring decor ideas and inspiration, keep on watching. Before we get started, I want to thank Balsam Hill for sponsoring today's video. They sent me some absolutely gorgeous wreaths and garland that I cannot wait to share with you. I will be incorporating those items in my decor today, and while they are investment pieces, let me tell you, the quality speaks for itself. I am always so impressed by the quality, the beauty, and how realistic their items are. So if you're interested, I'll have all of their information as well as the products used in today's video down in the description box. To refresh your front porch for spring, the very first thing you need to do before adding any decor is to, of course, give it a good, thorough cleaning. So that is what I'm going to start with. I'm going to sweep the front porch of any dirt and debris. I'll also take care of those dead leaves that have collected in the bushes there. And ideally, I would have liked to have used my power washer to get rid of those stains on my front porch. But unfortunately, the weather here in Michigan is just not warm enough yet. On this particular day, it was, I believe, 32 degrees. It was quite chilly and it did start to rain. So I had to end filming and pick it back up the next day. So if you see a change in clothes, that is why. But unfortunately, the second day of filming was actually not even better. It got down in the 20s and started to snow. So I could not win for losing. Next, I'm moving on to cleaning those windows, and they desperately needed it. I find this task so fulfilling, and I think it's because it's such an instant transformation. And while I'm at it, I can't forget about the corners and the front door itself. It is amazing how dirty the front door can become, also the door hardware, and then finally, I'm going to clean those light fixtures. When decorating your front porch, you can make such an impact by simply adding a doormat. And this one I recently picked up from Amazon. It's a very large one. I love doing a layered stacked look with my mats, so I'll begin with a large one and then add a smaller one on top. But again, this one's from Amazon. I'll have it linked down below if you're interested, but I love the checkered print of it. I felt like it looked very springy. And then this one is from Target. That was just under $13. I thought that was a really good find. For my decor, I'm definitely going with a more simple yet elegant look, and you really don't need a lot of decor to really transform your porch. Honestly, if there were 3 items I would recommend, it would be a decorative doormat, a wreath, and some garland. And this is Balsam Hill's mixed eucalyptus garland, and it is so gorgeous. It's even more gorgeous in person, let me tell you. And I'm securing it using 3 nails that we keep up in our door frame year round, and we have some wire attached to those nails that I use to secure the wreath, and it works like a charm. Next, I'm going to hang the Balsam Hill mixed eucalyptus wreath. And there are multiple ways to hang a wreath to your front door. You can simply use a door hook, or you can use a nail and ribbon. So I have a nail that I have placed at the very top of the door, and I'm securing the wreath with ribbon. And I'm keeping it simple. I don't have a bow here because I did want to go with a more simplistic look. So it's just a simple gingham print pastel colored ribbon that I felt was very appropriate for spring. To complete the look, I decided to add a little pop of color by tying a ribbon to each of the topiaries, and this is the same ribbon that I use on the door wreath, and the color of this ribbon coordinates perfectly with the doormat. Moving on to my dining room, and as you can see, I have pretty much cleared this room of just about everything. And whenever I'm redecorating or swapping out decor, I love to start with a blank canvas. It just helps me to visualize what I want to put in that space and where I want to place it, if that makes sense. But it honestly really does help so much when decorating. But before I do any decorating whatsoever, I'm gonna first begin with some spring cleaning, and I'm gonna start by cleaning my windows and mirror. And my favorite method to clean the windows is using a microfiber cloth. It just does such a great job of cleaning those windows and mirrors without leaving any streaks behind. So once I'm finished cleaning this mirror, I'm gonna move on to my tabletops. And my favorite product for the wood surfaces is the Method brand Wood for Good cleaner. And if you follow my channel, then you hear this from me pretty much in any video I'm doing cleaning. But it's just such a great product. It has a subtle almond scent to it, nothing powerful or overpowering, but it does a good job of cleaning, and it doesn't leave any streaks behind, like no streaks and no greasy film. When decorating for spring, I like to bring the outdoors in. And when I saw this wreath from Balsam Hill, I fell in love with it. It's so beautiful, and to me just looks like sunshine. It reminds me of spring flowers blooming and birds chirping. It just is so cheerful, and I love how it has just really brightened up this space. To hang the wreath, I'm using 3 suction cup hooks that I got from Target several years ago, and if I can find the link, I will have it listed down below, because these hooks work the best out of any of the suction cup hooks I've ever used, and I highly recommend them. And to decorate my hutch, I'm just using a matching garland. If I didn't mention it already, this is the Balsam Hill Summer Breeze garland, and it is gorgeous. I love the flowers, and I didn't add any more decor to this hutch because I feel like the flowers speak for themselves. Finally, to decorate my table space, I'm going with a light and airy, almost beachy look. And I'm using this table runner that I got a couple years ago from Home Goods. It's just a very lightweight fabric. And I love these rattan placemats I got a couple years ago from IKEA. Just definitely has that beachy vibe to it. Believe it or not, these plates and bowls are from the Dollar Tree. I got these recently. I could not pass them up. I thought they were such a great value. And then I recently purchased some new gold silverware. I thought I would give it a try, see how well it holds up. I did buy it from Amazon, so I'm not sure. I don't have too high of expectations, but we will see. I am in the market for some gold silverware, so if you have any recommendations for everyday use gold silverware, let me know down in the comments of any brands you would recommend, but I will leave this one down in the description box. And then finally, I'm going to add some candlesticks, and my trick for securing those candles in the candle holders is to put a flame to the base of the candle. That way it liquefies the wax, and then you can secure the candle in the candle holder, and it works like a charm. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I hope you enjoyed it and gained some ideas and inspiration. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you again to Balsam Hill for sponsoring today's video. I will have their information linked down below if you'd like to check it out. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy spring, and I will see you in my next one. Take care.